Hello birds, how are you doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Well, the purpose of this event, it's a routine application, a routine process which is called hygiene maintenance. This applies to the general housing and holistic method that spans from cleaning up the whole place. That's the general housing. In poultry farm, it is regarded that cleanliness keeps your birds alive. So what I'm about to do now is to keep this place clean to avoid bacteria and fungi, and equally avoid rodents. The reason why this process of hygiene is necessary in poultry farm is to encourage good flock, avoid diseases that at the end of the day you might spend money treating or buying drugs. The wood shavings here has been littered by their droppings or with their droppings and some water while they were drinking. So beneath it, it could be a herbal ground or a herbal footage for bacteria, insects, rodents can equally infect the area by the time the place starts smelling. So what we'll do today is we'll wash their drinkers properly with detergent, their food base or food plate, however you put it, but that which allows them to feed from, we'll clean it up as well, keep it dry. Normally sometimes we disinfect, but in this situation we will not disinfect for now because they are still early. The birds today are 9 days old to 10 days old, if I'm not mistaken. So as they keep growing up, you found out that the level of their droppings are increasing, and you find out that the birds too, they are becoming big and occupying much space. So today as well, we'll be extending the space as well to enable them to exercise their body freely. So for the hygiene, it's very important in poultry farming. It helps you to breed a very good stocks. It avoids diseases. It discourages pests and insects from infecting the general area. So hygiene is a very good process for in poultry farming. So this is it for the day.